So if I talk about tier one colleges, we're seeing almost all good companies, unicorns. If I talk about that, they're hiring from MBA colleges. You see the likes of Freshworks, Media.net. You have Swiggy. You have, if I can remember correctly, a few names. Even among the larger tech, we have Microsoft and Google, who hire for the product roles that are very coveted in the technology space. And these roles allow you very fast growth. And if I talk about non-product led roles, then we have the likes of companies like Meesho, we have companies like Flipkart, Amazon that are providing non-product management related roles in various category management, growth management, marketing kind of roles. We also have finance roles in certain, you can say, fintech companies, the likes of PayU, Paytm, and other fintech giants that are recruiting across campus.